Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Home Assistant Cloud for remote access, complete guide step by step clearly. Log in using your administrator account credentials. Once you are in the dashboard, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to find the configuration option and click on it. Within the configuration menu, look for the Home Assistant Cloud option and select it. On the Home Assistant Cloud page, you will see details about the subscription service. If you do not already have an account with Nabu Casa, you will be prompted to create one. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. Make sure to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. After submitting your account details, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Return to the Home Assistant Cloud page and log in with the newly created account. Once logged in, you will see the subscription plans available for Home Assistant Cloud. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Enter your payment information securely as prompted. Review your subscription details one last time before finalizing the payment. Click on the Confirm Subscription button to complete the process. You should now receive a notification confirming your subscription. To enable remote access, make sure the remote access option is toggled on. Finally, test your remote access by logging into your Home Assistant Cloud account from a different network or device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.